Here's how this works. Water, salt, and pepper, those are freebies. Your pantry, it better have flour, oil, vinegar, mustard, and garlic. Beyond that, you'll only need 5 more ingredients and 25 minutes to put an entree or entire meal on the table. So, shop, set the clock, and let's dish out. Our first ingredient will be some cream cheese. Can't have a good jalapeno popper without it. I've got some bacon here that I had left over in the fridge. We'll put that to use along with a couple of fresh jalapenos. And of course, guys, you can, scale this up as needed if you want to make more than a couple chicken breasts, but I'm doing 2. We'll grab a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese, which we'll grate up. And with all those key popper ingredients in hand, we can get to work. So first off, we're going to go ahead and de-stem and seed these peppers here. You can leave the seeds in and the stems if you'd like, but of course it's going to make for a very spicy jalapeno popper stuffed chicken. So I took mine out. I'm just going to go through and give these jalapenos a nice fine dice here. Add them to a bowl along with a few ounces of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese, that block of softened cream cheese, fresh crack of pepper, and just a tiny little pinch of salt. There's a good bit of salt in that cheese, so don't need to go overboard. And then you're just going to thoroughly mix all of that until all those ingredients are homogeneous and well combined. That should be enough filling for 3 to 4 chicken breasts. I'm just doing 2 here just to show you what's up. We're going to go ahead and clean off any excess fat, connective tissue, so forth from our chicken breasts. Make sure they are all good to eat. And then we're going to go ahead and press down and hold the knife parallel to your cutting board, and you're basically just going to open up this chicken breast slightly in the center, a little bit like a book. There you go. Just a beautiful little pocket. Go back through there, open things up all the way to that edge and all the way to the tip. Give yourself plenty of room to stuff this full of that cream cheese mixture, but do be careful. Don't want to cut through all the way to the other side or cut through the bottom of that chicken breast. Next up, just go ahead and stuff that pocket very generously with our cream cheese cheddar jalapeno mixture. Some of it is obviously going to leach out as it gets warm and melts. That's okay. Just pack it as full as you can. And then if you don't have any bacon, you could use a toothpick to secure that edge there, but because we do have bacon, we are going to put that to use. So just take 2 to 3 strips of bacon, and starting at the top end where your cut is, go ahead and wrap it around once or twice. Pull nice and tight, keep that seam well sealed, and we're just going to go ahead and wrap a layer of bacon all the way around our chicken. And you know what you should probably do that I didn't? Yep, you should probably season your chicken with salt and pepper before you wrap it in pork products, but hey, I forgot, and I was in a hurry, so just went back and dusted these with some pepper and some salt. Worked out just fine in the end. We're going to pop these in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes, or just until that chicken is cooked through, because obviously the cream cheese and all that's going to melt as the chicken cooks. I have mine here with a little bit of asparagus, so I have a nice complete dinner. I would say that chicken breast is enough for 2 people between the bacon and the stuffing. So, I think 2 large breasts could easily serve 4 people, but you could definitely do 1 breast per person. Check that out. Just glistening, filled with gooey, creamy cheese. There was definitely still plenty of heat in this from those jalapenos, so I would recommend taking the seeds out unless you just want to have your top blown off. Man, that is awesome. If you love the flavor of a jalapeno popper and you're tired of boring chicken breasts, then this is the perfect solution to nail both of those. Really tasty chicken, great jalapeno flavor, great cheesy flavor, just delicious all around. So now it's your turn to go and make something delicious.